China is rapidly transforming its manufacturing sector. The country is embracing automation. Robots, artificial intelligence, and smart factories are becoming commonplace. This revolution is boosting efficiency and productivity. It is also propelling China to the forefront of global manufacturing. This shift is driven by several factors. One is the rising cost of labor in China. Another is the increasing demand for high-quality products. The government is also playing a key role. It is providing incentives for companies to adopt automation. This transformation is impacting every corner of Chinese industry. From steel to apparel to automotive, companies are embracing the power of automation. This is creating a new era of manufacturing. This era is defined by innovation, efficiency, and sustainability. The steel industry is a pillar of any industrialized nation. In China, it is undergoing a significant transformation. Gone are the days of smoke-filled factories and manual labor. They are being replaced by digitally advanced, environmentally conscious production facilities. Chinese steel companies are investing heavily in automation. This includes robotics, data analytics, and machine learning. These technologies are optimizing production processes. They are also reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. The results are impressive. Efficiency is up, costs are down, and product quality is higher than ever. This modernization is not just about boosting profits. It is about ensuring the long-term sustainability of the industry. This transformation is positioning China as a leader in sustainable steel production. It is setting a global benchmark for other nations to follow. The apparel industry is another sector experiencing a technological revolution. A prime example is the story of a small family-run garment factory in Guangzhou. Facing rising costs and increased competition, the business decided to embrace automation. With the help of government subsidies, they transformed their factory. They integrated 5G technology, AI-powered sewing machines, and automated guided vehicles. The result was a smart factory capable of producing high-quality garments at an unprecedented speed and scale. This transformation not only increased their output, it also improved worker safety and reduced waste. The success story of this small business underscores the transformative potential of automation. It highlights how even traditional industries can thrive in the digital age. China's automotive industry is also in the fast lane of automation. Leading Chinese automakers are integrating AI, big data, and robotics into every stage of production. This starts with the design phase. AI algorithms are now being used to create more aerodynamic and fuel-efficient vehicles. On the assembly line, robots work with precision and speed. They perform tasks ranging from welding to painting to installing windshields. This automation ensures consistent quality and maximizes production output. Even quality control is being revolutionized. AI-powered vision systems inspect every vehicle. They can detect even the smallest imperfections. This level of detail was unimaginable in the past. This automation drive is propelling China to the forefront of automotive innovation. It is also helping Chinese automakers compete on a global scale. Section 5. Rise of the Machines. Humanoid robots. Enter the workforce. While industrial robots are now common, China is also at the forefront of developing humanoid robots. These advanced machines are designed to interact with humans in a more natural way. They are finding applications in a variety of sectors. In healthcare, humanoid robots are being used to assist doctors and nurses. They can monitor patients, deliver medication, and even provide companionship. In retail, they are being deployed as shop assistants. They can help customers find products and answer questions. The development and deployment of humanoid robots is still in its early stages. However, China is investing heavily in this technology. It recognizes the potential of humanoid robots to address labor shortages and improve quality of life. Section 6. Building the factories of the future. Shanghai's smart manufacturing ambitions. Shanghai, China's economic powerhouse, is at the forefront of the automation revolution. The city has outlined an ambitious plan. It aims to establish 200 new smart factories by 2025. These factories will be fully automated and interconnected. They will leverage the latest technologies including 5G, AI, and the Internet of Things, or IoT. This initiative is part of Shanghai's broader push to become a global leader in advanced manufacturing. The city is providing financial incentives and policy support to companies investing in smart manufacturing. The goal is not just to increase efficiency, but also to foster innovation and create high-skilled jobs. Shanghai's ambitious plan serves as a model for other cities in China and around the world. It demonstrates how governments can play a proactive role in driving the adoption of automation. Section 7. Government backing, fueling the automation revolution. The Chinese government recognizes the transformative potential of automation. It has launched a series of policies and initiatives to accelerate its adoption. The Made in China 2025 plan, unveiled in 2015, aims to upgrade Chinese manufacturing. It emphasizes automation and intelligent manufacturing as key pillars. The government is providing financial incentives to encourage businesses to invest in automation technologies. These include subsidies, tax breaks, and low-interest loans. It is also investing heavily in research and development. The goal is to make China a global leader in robotics, AI, and other advanced technologies. The government's proactive approach is a key driver of China's automation revolution. It is creating a favorable environment for businesses to embrace automation and enhance their competitiveness. Section 8. Global Impact. China's automation prowess sets new standards. China's automation revolution is not just transforming its own industries, it is also having a profound impact on the global manufacturing landscape. As Chinese companies become more automated, they are becoming more competitive. They are putting pressure on manufacturers worldwide to keep pace. China's increasing automation prowess is also driving demand for automation technologies. This is creating opportunities for global technology providers. Companies specializing in robotics, AI, and factory automation software are seeing a surge in demand from China. China's automation revolution is reshaping the global manufacturing landscape. It is forcing companies worldwide to adapt and innovate to remain competitive in the 21st century. Section 9. Challenges and Opportunities. Navigating the path ahead. While automation offers significant opportunities, it also presents challenges. One concern is the potential for job displacement. As machines become more sophisticated, they are capable of performing tasks previously done by humans. This could lead to job losses, particularly in sectors that rely heavily on manual labor. However, automation also creates new opportunities. It drives demand for skilled workers who can operate, maintain, and repair automated systems. This necessitates investment in education and training programs to equip workers with the skills needed for the jobs of the future. Another challenge is ensuring that the benefits of automation are shared widely. The government, businesses, and educational institutions must work together. They need to ensure that workers are not left behind in the transition to a more automated future. Section 10. The future is now. China's automation revolution reshapes global manufacturing. China's automation revolution is reshaping the global manufacturing landscape. The country's embrace of robotics, AI, and smart factories is driving unprecedented levels of efficiency, productivity, and innovation. From steel to apparel to automotive, Chinese industries are undergoing a profound transformation, setting new benchmarks for the world to follow. While automation presents challenges, China's proactive approach, combined with its vast manufacturing scale and innovative spirit, positions it as a leader in the global race to define the future of manufacturing. As the world continues to embrace automation, China's experiences and advancements will undoubtedly serve as a valuable roadmap for industries and nations navigating this transformative era.